Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing two apps, an iOS-style lock app and a launcher that mimics home. Once installed, download an iPhone wallpaper sized to your screen so icons and widgets align. Grant the lock app notifications, overlay, and device admin permissions now so it can replace your stock lock screen. After permissions, set the new wallpaper and open the lock app setup wizard to begin configuring the iPhone look and feel. Next, you configure the lock app to behave like an iPhone. In Settings, choose the iOS notification layout and toggle off sensitive content previews so notifications match privacy behavior. Then enable the Control Center mimic and add quick toggles for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, and media controls for one-swipe access. Make sure to adjust the clock font and icon grid to match iOS spacing. This reduces visual mismatch and keeps the interface convincing once you lock the screen. Finally, you finalize appearance and test behavior. Lock the phone and verify unlock animation, swipe gestures, and camera shortcut work smoothly. Tweak animations if timing feels off. Once happy visually, re-enable your secure lock method like PIN or biometric so security is intact. If anything breaks, restart the lock app, re-grant overlay and notification permissions, and clear app cache before reinstalling. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.